and today I'm making a cocktail of clairvoyance based on the potion from Dungeons & Dragons. Every month I'm making a prop and cocktail based on a different potion from D&D. And this month we're starting with clairvoyance. This is a super tasty recipe and it's going to be perfect for long D&D sessions or watching your favorite D&D show. So let's get started. The Potion of Clairvoyance is a rare potion that grants you the properties of the clairvoyance spell. It allows you to create an invisible sensor through which you can see or hear. For an in-depth look at the lore behind this potion, you can check out my Potion of Clairvoyance prop build. D&D officially describes this potion as yellow with a bobbing eyeball. I would expect it to taste sweet and refreshing, and since it's yellow, we're gonna go with a lemon-based drink. These are all of our cocktail ingredients. You're gonna need lemon vodka. I recommend the brand Deep Eddy. It's pretty cheap at Bevmo. You're also gonna need Elderflower Liqueur, and Saint Germain is the most common brand, and it also comes in this convenient mini size. You'll also need triple sec or orange liqueur. This is the most expensive brand, but it's really tasty. It's pronounced Cointreau, apparently. You're also gonna need sugar, or you can make lemon sugar. I'm just gonna crush up lemon flavored rock candy. And you're gonna need some lemons for lemon juice, along with some ice. And you'll need little gummy eyeballs. First, you wanna make sure that you chill your glass. Once you've done that, you can sugar the rim. You can use just regular granulated sugar and add lemon zest, but I'm gonna crush up this rock candy. Now I'm gonna save this for later. Wow, really inefficiently. And now life has handed us lemons for $1.99 a pound, so let's make some lemon juice. Make sure you use the lemon squeezer the right way. That's the wrong way. Wait, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Where's the payoff? Give me the payoff. Yeah! You can also buy lemon juice from the store, but it feels a little bit better if you squeeze it yourself. And now we're gonna sugar the rim. All you have to do is dip your glass into the lemon juice, and then pour your sugar onto a plate. Yes, yes. Now it's time to mix in the good stuff. You're gonna need 1.5 ounces of vodka, which is the big side. I'm gonna make 3 portions of this, so I'm gonna do this 2 more times. Then you'll need 1 ounce of elderflower liquor. Oh, liqueur, excuse me. And you'll need 1/2 ounce of the Cointreau. And then you just need 1 ounce of the lemon juice. And then just add ice and shake. You'd ideally use like an actual cocktail shaker, but ours got sealed shut in the testing process, so here we are. And now you can just strain it into your cup. I want this cocktail to be a little bit more yellow the way that it's described in D&D, so I'm gonna add some food coloring. Oh, it's so yellow.
That looks much better.
Dope, yeah. Now I'm gonna add my eyeball garnish. Ew. The iris has a tendency to want to weigh the eyeball down, so I'm gonna skewer it in 2 directions in order to keep it upright. Ew, I'm so sorry. Oh, wait. Oh, it's red on the inside? I didn't know that.
That's gross.
That's really gross.
That's fucking gnarly.
What the hell?
Let's go.
When did that? I didn't know that about it at all. Oh, you know, it's not bad.
It's jelly.
If you don't have access to gummy eyeballs, you can also use the rock candy stick, or you can use slices of orange. Those are pretty tasty once they've soaked up all the alcohol. And there you have it. It's a cute little cocktail of clairvoyance. Wow, that has alcohol in it. It's really good though. This is super tasty, but it has a lot of alcohol, so please drink responsibly. You can always prepare a brew of it and put it in a fancy bottle and save it for your session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to enjoy this cocktail with your D&D party or while watching your favorite D&D show. If you want to check out my Potion of Clairvoyance prompt build, you can make one of these sweet little potions too. Next month I'll be making the Filter of Love, so if you have any suggestions for cocktail recipes or other potions for me to do, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay crafty! That just tastes like lemonade. Neat. Okay. We got lemon. Oh, there's the vodka. Oh, 2 toothpicks crossing. That's so smart. Hold on. Hold on. Better. I mean, I know the sticks don't match in size, but I feel like that's like a way cooler presentation. Okay, we have one drink down. Oh shit. So I'm gonna shake it in this now. I'm making a Potion of Clairvoyance cocktail, but I'm basically trying to decide which one would be better. So I've only tried this one. This one's pretty good. But look how cute it is! But
This tastes amazing.
it just tastes like lemonade though, right?
Yeah.
Tiny bit of ginger. So we may try it with ginger later.
It's good,
Yeah.
but that wasn't amazing.
That one's better. Yeah, that just tastes like citrusy whiskey. It's pretty good though. It's like vodka's the thought of booze. That's absolutely accurate.
Alright.
What if we add elderflower liquor? Oh, that smells nice. Smell it.
Yeah.
This is a really basic bitch drink. It's a lemon drop. It's like pretty straightforward, but elderflower liquor might make it taste classier.
Yes.
Should we like add an ounce of it? Is an ounce too much? Are you like trying to sneak up on it?
Yeah, you gotta surprise it.
Dude, that's not gonna
I'm paying attention.
play it off like you're not hella frustrated about it. Oh, that does taste very interesting. It does taste different. It's more like flowery and refreshing.
That's more spot on.
Yeah?
I like that more.
Yeah. Okay, this is the one we're gonna go with then.
With that.
We're gonna go with that one. Hi, buddy! Oh, she wants you to throw this. She just heard it. She didn't even fucking see. Wow, really? Yeah, that's kind of how she
So
is.
she comes all the way
Hi,
over.
yes, you did so good. Thank you. Dropped it right in my hand. She's gonna run across you. You're fine. Mary, give the shaker a hurricane rana off the top rope. What does that mean?
That's a wrestling reference.
Oh, is it?
It's just,
Bro, you don't have the strength for it. What are you, like level 3 right now?
I'm determined. I can't just not.
So I didn't have my first strength until I was 21. Straight edge. Somebody was telling me about it and they're like, the V formation. I was like, that wouldn't make any sense in hockey. What would you use that for?
Yeah, the Anaheim Convention Center has like a secret ship underneath the ice that will just open up and as it takes.
No, it doesn't. That's a fucking lie.
Yeah.
No, I heard you like slamming it again. Did you try and hit it against the thing?
I had a carabiner and I was just like punching it like this.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
You probably just like dented it into place now.
No.
An Illuminati sex triangle? What kind of drink is that? Oh no, if I squeeze it too hard, I'm gonna get that vein in my forehead. I'm not eating the eyeball though. That's gross.
Why not eat the eyeball?
Ugh. Gross.